Welcome to our channel Con Features. Learn new every day. Electric vehicles, EVs, are often touted as a cleaner and more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. However, the batteries used in EVs, which are usually lithium-ion batteries, are not without environmental impact. In this essay, we will explore the environmental impact of EV batteries, both during their manufacturing and at the end of their life cycle. The manufacturing of EV batteries. The manufacturing of EV batteries. The manufacturing process of lithium-ion batteries for EVs is a complex and energy-intensive process that requires the extraction and processing of raw materials such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, and graphite. These materials are mined in countries such as China, Australia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, where environmental regulations may be weaker and human rights abuses have been reported. The extraction and processing of these materials can result in air and water pollution, as well as soil degradation. Lithium mining, for example, requires the use of large amounts of water, which can put a strain on local water resources. Cobalt mining has been linked to human rights abuses and child labor in some countries. The processing of these materials can also release toxic chemicals into the environment. Moreover, the transportation of these raw materials from the mine to the battery manufacturing facility can also have environmental impacts, including greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. The manufacturing process itself also consumes a significant amount of energy, which can lead to carbon emissions if the electricity used to power the manufacturing facility is generated from fossil fuels. The environmental impact of EV batteries at the end of their life cycle. The environmental impact of EV batteries at the end of their life cycle. Lithium-ion batteries have a limited lifespan, typically lasting between 8 to 10 years, after which they need to be replaced. When EV batteries reach the end of their life, they need to be properly disposed of or recycled to avoid causing environmental harm. Improper disposal of EV batteries can lead to the release of toxic chemicals, including heavy metals, into the environment. These chemicals can contaminate soil and water, harm wildlife, and pose a risk to human health. The recycling of EV batteries can help reduce these environmental impacts by recovering valuable materials such as cobalt, nickel, and lithium, and reducing the need for new mining activities. However, the recycling process itself can also be energy-intensive and result in some environmental impacts, such as air pollution. To mitigating the environmental impact of EV batteries, manufacturers can take several steps, such as improving the efficiency of the manufacturing process to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions, sourcing materials from suppliers that have strong environmental and social policies in place, developing recycling programs to recover valuable materials from EV batteries and reduce the need for new mining activities, ensuring that EV batteries are properly disposed of at the end of their life cycle and that toxic chemicals are not released into the environment. Governments can also play a role in mitigating the environmental impact of EV batteries by setting environmental standards for battery manufacturing and recycling, promoting sustainable mining practices, and providing incentives for the development of recycling infrastructure. In conclusion, while electric vehicles have the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality, the manufacturing and disposal of their batteries can have environmental impacts. To minimize these impacts, it is important for manufacturers, governments, and consumers to work together to develop sustainable practices for battery manufacturing, recycling, and disposal. By taking a comprehensive approach to the environmental impact of EV batteries, we can ensure that electric vehicles truly live up to their promise of being a cleaner and more sustainable mode of transportation. Thanks for watching.